Phrasal verbs used by native speakers.
Squeeze in. I'm going to try to squeeze in a workout before work. I have to squeeze clothes in my luggage. Squeeze. I'll squeeze the juice into the bowl. I am squeezing the glitter axolotl toy. Turn off equals sign switch off. Could you turn off the lights? Could you turn the lights off? Get around to. I finally got around to cleaning my room. I still haven't got around to fixing that TV. Put something off. They wanted to put the project off until next week. She put off going to the dentist because she was afraid. Put out. Firefighters soon put out the house fire. He forgot to put the rubbish out this evening. Get over. I've had a fever, but I'm getting over it now. It took me a long time to get over the breakup. Try out. I'm going to try out the new laptop software. They are trying out a new leader for their team. Try on. She tried on several dresses before choosing one for the party. He's trying on the suit before the meeting. Hang in there means continue, not give up. Although we were doing badly, we hung in there till we finished. Work can get tough in the end of the year, but hang in there and it'll be okay. Fall apart? My old t-shirt is falling apart. She completely fell apart after the breakup and unable to focus on work. Go for. I think I'll go for the fried chicken with spicy sauce. I don't really go for that type of drinks in that coffee shop. Take on. I can take on more projects right now. Our team will take on the champions. Miss out. I don't want to miss out on the festival next month. Many people miss out on important events this year. Set aside. She sets aside time for reading. Let's set aside our differences. Turn out. A large crowd turned out for the concert. Please remember to turn out the light before leaving. Get into. He got into the car. She got into Harvard University. Get through. She got through the report card. I couldn't get through to you. Measure up. He is coming to measure up the windows. She didn't measure up to the job. Get access to. You need a password to get access to the system. The residents finally got access to clean water.